Hey guys, welcome to the TheDroidGuy. Are you looking for a dual dash cam for your vehicle? Then you might want to try this dual dash cam from CHORTAU. The CHORTAU BT13 dual dash cam has a 1080p resolution front camera and a waterproof rear camera. With 6 pieces IR LED and wide dynamic range, the front camera can clearly fill license plates and traffic signs even at night, guaranteeing that you receive the best footage. Wide-angle front 170 degrees and rear 130 degrees, cameras assist in reducing your visual blind spots. This dual dash cam supports 32GB micro SD card. Ensure that your SD card is class 10 or above. When the card is full, seamless loop recording replaces the old video with the new content. A sudden collision is automatically detected by the variable sensitivity G sensor, which then records and locks the pertinent footage to an SOS file, consequently avoiding any overriding and safeguarding your video proof. Keep you out of any car-related conflicts. In the event that your vehicle is scratched while parked, the dash cams instantly turn on and begin recording as soon as an impact is sensed. Pretty cool, huh? It is very easy to install. Simply insert the SD card. By the way, SD card is not included in the package, then connect it to the power source. As soon as the engine is started, the car dash camera will begin recording. When you turn the engine off, it will stop recording and store the footage. You can download the user guide for any additional instructions about the installation and operation. That's it. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.